Ni'n teimlo, ni'n synhwyro o bosib bod 'na her i'r Seintiau tymor yma. Mullen sy'n ceisio creu Chislevich, postyn pella yn cyrraedd. Mae dal yn o'i brobl yn taro'r postyn. Wel am ddechrau, hwn i taro'r postyn yn yr hanner munud cynta. A brobl mor agos. McCarthy at Morgan eto, cyfforddus, taclus gan y Met. Sam Snaith ymosodwr newydd tymor yma. Morgan eto, gymaint o le gan Elliot Evans eto. Yw e'n mynd i fedro eto, syth at Harrison gan Elliot Evans.
Ti'n edrych ar y lle mae o'n gael, mae o'n clefar, efo ffordd mae o'n ffeindio'r pocedi.
Snaith at Morgan. Rhys. Eto, mae yna le gan Elliot Evans, os yna gyfle arall i Evans. A Met Caerdydd, mae'n taro Hudson, mae dal yno. 3, 4, 5 o'r Met yn cyrraedd y cynt Cosby, mae'n gol! Mae Rhys Thomas wedi taro, Elliot Evans yn creu, a myfyrwyr Met Caerdydd ar y blaen yn erbyn y pencampwr. Dyn nhw erioed i ennill yn ei herbyn nhw, yw hynny yn mynd i newid heddi.
Wel. Gyda ni gêm wan, does.
Seintiau yn ceisio creu eb yn ei chanol i Redmond yno hefyd. O, Chislevich yn sydyn, mae'n gyfle i Chislevich, mi oedd hi'n gyfle, ond y rhwyd ochr.
Dyma gyda Chislevich, gyda fo Ferrari o engine, does, ond y driver wrth yr olwyn weithiau.
McCarthy, Elliot Evans drwy'r canol, cyfle arall i Met Caerdydd, Harrison yn arbed, mae dal yno, mae gol i Met, mae'n wedi taro, Snaith sydd wedi sgorio, 2 gol oedd y Seintiau wedi ildio drwy'r tymor, maen nhw wedi ildio 2 yn yr hanner cynta, a mae Met Caerdydd ar garlam.
Mae Dyla Harrison i fi bod mwy dewr a clirio'r bel efo'i draed. Mae'n mynd i mewn, yw hanner tacl dyna. Mae'n 2 gol i ddim.
Redmond, mae honna'n gyflym, mae honna'n well lle nawr gan Mullen. Nawr maen nhw'n cyrraedd y canol, Brobl yno, Spender. Brobl. Araf eto, ceisio i chod iddi, wel mi darodd i'r par.
Llawn dychymig yma na gan Brobl, ac y syniad yn un gwych.
Mae yna gyfle i wrthymosod, cyfle mawr i wrthymosod i Met Caerdydd, 3 yn erbyn 2, Elliot Evans yn y canol, Thomas yn y canol, mae yna fwy yn cyrraedd, os chwarae yno hon yn iawn, mae yna gyfle i Snaith! Mae'n berffaith, mae'n 2 i ddim i Met Caerdydd am stori, mae'r Seintiau wedi mildio mwy prawn yma, na maen nhw wedi gwneud drwy'r tymor. Dyna chi, enghraifft o wrth ymosodiad perffaith. Pawb eisiau cyrraedd na, pawb yn dathlu am brynhawn i Met Caerdydd.
Elliot Evans ar y bel, fodd o passing, McCarthy lawr y chwith, a mae'r cyffyrddiad gan Elliot Evans. Mae hwnna yr eiti, dis di ddim ar blat, mae hwnna fo cytrydd y fforc, yda. Faint o syml di on, gwych o gol.
Be fydd cynlluniau Andy Morrison ar gyfer chwarae Met Caerdydd felly. Na'r gêm nesaf i Met, ond yn cwrdd â Ceicon a dalwch mlaen, Elliot Evans yn y cwrt Cosby, yn bwyd o Baker, mae'n beder! Mae'n beder i ddim, mae Baker di taro. Pnawn rhyfeddol i Met Caerdydd, dim am ei pwy yw'r Master Baker pnawn yma.
Mae'n eich di just edrych ar gweledigaeth eto Elliot Evans. Am bas, pwysa perffaith, dim oedi ni rediad o, a wedyn jyst ei ti'n gornel y rhwyd.
Bydd hi'n ddifur gweld sut ymateb gawn ni. Cyfle i Draper, cyfle i'r Seintiau, a dyna mae Greg Draper yn ei gynnig i chi. 1 cyfle, 1 gol. Dyn nhw'n ôl yn y gêm, ond mae Draper yn atgoffa pawb o'r Eidal yma.
Well, Christian, first of all, huge congratulations. What a way to get your first ever win against the New Saints.
I think it's nothing more than our performance have been of the last 4 or 5 games. We've lost, we know, but our performance has been outstanding. Personal errors have cost us, but today you saw that the squad, with those key individuals missing, can beat any team in the league, and we've done that and quite handsomely today.
What was it that pleased you most? Which aspect pleased you most this afternoon?
We spoke in the dressing room that whilst they're the benchmark, we're not fearful of TNS. We absolutely respect them 100%, but we're not fearful. And that each player played out their role today, roles, responsibilities, and they did that to the maximum. And once you do that against a very good side, with our own very good players and own structure and fitness, I think we're a match for anybody.
Disappointed in the performance and the result. And the players have got to learn that, you know, everyone wants to beat TNS all the time. Everyone wants to, externally, everyone wants a new someone to win the title, because it's just they're sick of us winning everything. So they have to get to realise that. The new players have to get to realise that. And you know, we know what it takes to win titles, win trophies and stuff. But do the players still want it, and do the new players realise how hard it is to get?
Well, Elliot, first of all, huge congratulations. 4-1 against the champions. I mean, did you expect that?
No, it was obviously going to be a hard game, and it was. We had to really work hard. We kind of went man for man most of the pitch, which made it difficult for them, getting their heads down and making them play back towards their own goal. So, yeah, you know, when you score 4 goals against the champions, it's massive, and it can give us confidence now.
Emlyn, dipyn o ganlyniad yn amlwg, ond dipyn o berfformiad ganddoch chi heddi yma hefyd.
Do, gret war teg. Da ni wedi performio'n dda iawn yn y 3-4 wythnos diwetha. Da ni heb cael yr canlyniadau yn eisiau, ond heddiw, Lucas, fel wedodd Els, o'n i man for man, o'n i llawer gwell o'n i'n meddwl. Yn anffodus ildio gol yn diwedd fel amddiffynwr, ond na, 4-1, hapus iawn.
Is that your greatest victory ever in the Welsh Premier League?
No, I don't think so. I think it's the next victory. Every victory is important for us. You know, if to say that's the greatest, that would be disrespectful to Connah's Quay, Bala, and all those other teams, because they're very good as well. So it's just another 3 points that we march on, and we look forward to next weekend against Connah's Quay yet again. Another big game with another very good side.
How important is it now for you personally to see a reaction from your players?
Yeah, I've just said I see it day in, day out. Training, you know, they're brilliant. We've got the best squad in the league, got the best players in the league. So we've lost today for whatever reason, whether it was an off day. We don't get too many, but it was very disappointing. You know, and I'm embarrassed over the whole sort of performance and result, really.